You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love.
Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome and hello. So today's video, I have a PR package from Maniology. They were kind enough to reach out to me and ask me would I review some products for them, and of course I said yes. I've purchased products from them in the past, and also when they were, I forgot the name of the company before they switched over because it's been quite some time ago. But I was able to pick out a few things, and then they also sent me a few surprises. So if you guys are interested in this, stay tuned and we're going to go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and cut right into this bag. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out everything. I am so excited. I love nail stamping. I haven't purchased anything in a while, so I was really excited when they reached out to me. And I also do have a discount code for you guys. I'll leave that on the screen as well as down in the description box, so make sure you check that out. And everything will be listed down in the description box of all the items that I did receive. So without further ado and rambling, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna grab the first thing. So the first thing I have is this nail brush. Okay, it's an angle brush. The number is 105. Let's go ahead and open it up. So this would be great for cleanup, and I like that it's angled. I don't even believe I have an angle brush, so this would be definitely cool to have. And that is what it looks like. As you can see, it's really thin and it's slanted, and then it has their logo and everything on it and the number as well. We're gonna go ahead and cap that. Okay, so the next thing we have is this box right here. Oh, this is really cute. I've seen quite a few people with this, and it is, okay, so you just push it. It's one of those claws. So you know how you have the little cotton and you grip the cotton and you clean the nail? So this is really cool. I mean, not the nail, but the stamping plate. I like this. I like the little pineapple that's on here. So cute. Really cute. So the next thing we have let me get something to open it up because I have on nails. Okay, so this is Shellz nail lacquer. Okay, sorry. It's a sticky base coat and it's in B384. So we'll definitely do a demo on that. If I don't do it on here, I'm definitely going to do a short. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. All right, let's start with this one. This big box right here. Guys, I can't believe the summer is coming to an end. This year has totally went by so quick. Oh, okay. So this is the item that I actually picked out. So these other three items that I just showed you was something that they sent me. I didn't request those, but I thought this was really cute. Great for the fall. It's a coffee stamping kit. How cute is that? I just recently started drinking coffee. I'm not a hot coffee girl, but I will do like the cold drinks. So I've been really getting into making coffees and watching little tutorials on IG as well as YouTube. So I'm in my coffee era right now. So I thought this would be really cute. I can't wait to create something with this. And then they give you this little pamphlet right here. So basically just your instructions and all of that. Really cool. Okay, so this kit comes with a cute little stamper scraper. Okay, so let's just dump this out. Oh, and this is Mani Kit 1, 2, 3. That's cute. So let me just show you quickly what the back of the box looks like. Then it tells you everything that comes in this kit. So you get a stamping art polish, smudge-free top coat, nail stamping plate, clear ice cube stamper with a scraper card. Okay, and then of course what the front of the box looks like. So I love the idea of this because if you're starting out and you can't afford to like buy a bunch of stuff, having kits like this are really great to have. So here is the stamping dual. So this is the color on one side and then the smudge free top coat. So now we have the base coat and now I have a top coat as well. Really cute. Oh, it separates, so that's really cute. And then that is what the color looks like, a nice chocolate brown. Of course you need that because you're doing coffee. And then your top coat. I love how they have this little dual and it has a little cap to keep it together. And then we have the cube. And this is the stamper head. Really cute. Small. But the image on here is small as well. So these would be great for your short to medium length nails. So we have that. And then the next thing we have is this box right here. It's called Essentials Brights. And it's the set 007. And I did pick this set out as well. And these look to be the full size bottles. Now the reason why I picked this particular color combo, I thought it would be really good because of the fall and especially Halloween. Look, they got this package really well. Because baby, I am over here struggling. Okay. Got that out of there. Let's throw that away. So you get 6 colors with this collection. Let's just see. We have this color right here, which is Summer Cruise B190. Then Hot Toddy B192. And then we have Lily Pad B191. Now, I know this is kind of bright for the fall, but you can definitely get away with this color for the fall, and definitely these. Definitely these colors. I thought were really good, especially like I said around Halloween. So, and then this one is Sunrise B193. And then the next one is Orange Burst, and this is B194. And then the next one is Violet Waves B195. I actually thought this was a black, but I can definitely see that it is a purple. It's a really dark purple. So like I said, yes, this will be definitely great for Halloween, especially these two colors together. Really pretty for Halloween. And then this for fall, this one as well, like I said. So we have those, and on top of here They have where you can actually swatch the colors, so you'll see what it looks like on top of white and what it'll look like on top of the black. Now on to the stamping plates. So I picked this one up for Christmas. I thought this was really cute. And this is M081. And I love how they already have the backing on it. And it has their brand on it. So this is really cool. Like I said, I've purchased from them before. And they have some really good stamping plates. And then last but not least, I picked up this Halloween plate. I thought this was really cool, just fitting for the upcoming holiday. Hence why I picked up that collection that I just showed you guys, because I picked up a Halloween plate. So, really cool. So I'm gonna pause this and move everything out the way, and what I'm gonna do is come back and I'm gonna stamp these so you guys can see what the colors look like over black and also white. And then I'm gonna do probably a nail look, but like I said, I won't do that on here. I'm gonna create a short for that. So if you're not subscribed to the channel and you don't have your notification bell on, make sure you go over there and do so that way you can see what I come up with. Okay, so I am back. So we're gonna go in with this Halloween plate, and I'm gonna use the scraper that I got as well as the stamper. So I'm gonna go in with B192. Let's just do this image right here. Now I'm not an expert. That picked up really well. I'll grab the excess off, and we're gonna go ahead and stamp it on here. Like I said, I am not an expert, guys. Okay, we're gonna take this off and do it again. I'm gonna go in and use this right here. We'll get some alcohol. Clean the plate. Acetone. Now, one thing I can say is this plate is etched really well. Because normally it would not take this long to get my plates clean. So that's a good thing. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry. Go ahead and clean my stamper off. I have one of these little gadgets right here off to the side. And I just clean my stamper. So we're gonna do that one more time. Try to be quick with it this time. Because their polish just seems to dry really quick. Okay. Hopefully you can see that. No, we're not gonna do that again. We're not gonna do that again, but you can kind of see what the color looks like on both sides. Clean it off. And using stamping plates and stuff, it can be a little intimidating, but you just have to keep practicing and play around with it. So the next one is B191. Okay, so I had to put some gloves on because this is starting to get real intense for me. I am really over here struggling. I've never struggled like this before picking up an image, so bear with me. Finally, one stuck. I'll clean that off later. But that's really good. You can definitely see the color over the black and really well over the white, of course. And the next color. Okay guys, so this is everything that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. Everything that I have will be linked down in the description below, as well as my discount code. So make sure you guys take advantage of that if you're interested in any of these products or anything else that you see on their website. And just to recap, I'm gonna go ahead and show you these colors again. I didn't do so well stamping, but like I said, I am not a pro. But one thing I can say is their stamping plates are etched really well. Really, really well. Those little fine lines were no joke. But I'm gonna keep working with it, baby. I'm not gonna give up. And then of course, the sticky base coat. I probably should cap these, but I'll probably do that off camera. But this is everything. If you stay to the end of the video, thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate you as well. And as always, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.
I was on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and something that I never thought